All right, friends, just want to show you a little bit about our chicken coop, chicken mansion, chicken condo, whatever you want to call it, that we built out of a portable building. There's Hank and Bullet, Sam and Bo. They all just chilling out here today. Yeah, what are you doing, son? Look at that. Yeah, look at you. Anyways, my dad was a postal carrier, so I lost him probably 6 years ago, and I don't know, it just reminds me of him, so I put it here at the farm. Got a little bit of everything out here, some memories of things that, you know, we've done and before. And I lost my brother actually 2 years ago, and we used to go by the Creek Boys, grew up on a creek, and so anyways, that's what's behind that sign right there. This building we used to have at a booth we used to cook at every year, and anyways, we brought it out here to the land, and we turned it into a chicken coop, and it turned out really nice. Actually, designed this after the Carolina Coops. If you look them up, they had some really neat videos that I used, and you can see it completely enclosed it where hopefully don't have no varmints, no critters. I'm still working on it some. I got some little areas that I'm messing with. Looks like something might be digging at some of these, but I don't know. That might be the chickens just scratching on that. Anyways, I got the windows sealed. Definitely want to do that. I got to actually replace that window. I had a busted out window. Got a bell ringer here, so when they want to come up, I always ring the bell, and that lets them know that it's time to come in if we've got them out of the run. Just a little tour of the inside right here. This is where we store everything, supplies, excuse us, but it's a little dirty and wrecked right now. I put 10 up in here to give it an old kind of barn look when you come inside. I'm gonna put something down there to cover that area right through there where you can't see that. Maybe a fence, like a white picket fence, give it a look. Anyways, but this is our just little storage area. We can get to them through here if we want to. This was something at first I had it shut, but now I can get in here if I need to do something. And even got their own little chandelier for the girls. So they're all roosting for the night. It's getting late. We got 2 roosters and about, I think, 20 hens, I believe. Anyways, we got their nesting boxes. My wife got them all fixed up. Gotta have you one of these too, if you do one of these. So handy. Gotta have one of these cameras you can watch them on. Make sure all the girls are getting in. But anyways, that's just a little tour of that. Anybody has any questions, feel free to message me. This is insulated. I put this old tent up on the roof, thought it turned out really cool. Y'all get out of there. Hey, get out of there, come on. Definitely been an experience, and we've had this for a year now, and this is one of our favorite times of the day, just to come out here and, you know, we get out here and you don't think about everything else going on, and it's just, there's that other release tube built the same way. I mean, it's very handy, just, but anyways, friends, I just wanted to share that. Y'all subscribe and like my videos. I've got some other projects that I'm working on, and I'm actually, you know, fine-tuning a couple of these. I'm a little OCD on stuff, so it's what happens when you're OCD. You keep making things, changing it, making it a little bit better. So still working on, want to get my rain catch up, and I'll show y'all how that works once that happens. Electrical line right here, I've got to get in the ground. I had it under the ground, but we had a problem with water holding here, and took the tractor and ended up having to get this dirt kind of like a little concave area where the water would channel out. Had to do the same thing right here because the water was building up, and water was going into the run. So got my tractor, and you can see how high it was. All this kind of went into that area right there, and I literally took the tractor with a box blade, and all this area was all thatch and privet, and we cleaned it all up. It's got an old fence line that was here from years ago, and we cleaned all this area up, making a little goat playground area here, maybe, I don't know, just something we're thinking about when we do let the goats out to roam. And anyways, I knocked this level down right here with that. Got just a 26 horsepower tractor, and you'd just be amazed what you can do with a 26 horsepower tractor. but got all the water channeling out now. But again, just wanted to share this with y'all guys. I hope you enjoyed the video of our little homestead, and just something that we enjoy to do as a family out here. Y'all have a great night. Please make sure you subscribe, like, and even comment if you see something I need to do or something you have a question about. I'd love to help any way I can. Y'all have a great night.